Next video, Bizarre Bubs, Scary Comp V13.
Was going out for a walk when out of nowhere, this happens.
Touch my piggies?
I'm currently having a little bit of a mental, moment. I was driving home from work. It's holy shit! Oh my god! 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 Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, this one.
God! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy fucking shit! Oh my god!
Bro, this could just be real though.
There was. Oh my god.
Kind of buying it too.
That was not normal. Oh my god.
Bro, that's the scary part about, like, if ghosts are actually real, dude. Just being a woman out walking at night and then, like, some ghost shit happens. That's just not fair, dude. Because you gotta believe that shit.
Holy. I just saw something. And I'm really f***ing terrified.
She didn't get anything on video, though. That's just the video after.
A figure who, according to Grace, didn't look like a person, but rather the whisper she heard when she got inside her car. I'll play the clip in case you missed it.
Bro, if he puts the text on the bottom of the screen and tells me what the word is that they're saying, I'm gonna lose it. Because I hate that. It's not fair. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I don't make anything. Oh, said it's okay. See? I didn't get that from that. Absolutely not.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
That could have been her too, man. That actually would make sense that that's her being like, it's okay. Calming herself down.
Now, if that's not creepy, then I don't know what is.
No, that is creepy, actually. That is creepy. I thought we would have video of this hooded like, as far as I'm concerned, that was a real person and a real interaction that you had. It's just not a very good video.
And
yeah,
Bucky
dude, that sounded like her, bro, and it makes sense with the context. Bro, nothing weird about that.
99 was out with some friends visiting a mausoleum in Somers, Connecticut, when they encountered something pretty spooky.
Why would you visit a mausoleum?
And Bucky writes, when we approached the fence and began speaking, there is a scuffle from inside. This is followed by footsteps that sounded like they were running towards us.
So a squatter?
So we're at the Keeney Mausoleum.
What is this? What is this?
Hello?
Body language.
Would anyone like to say something? Communicate. Holy shit! Dude, that was insane.
Dude, incredibly high sneaker. Look at that shit. Looks like Tron.
Dude, that was insane. Oh my god, that's not real, dude. Dude, I got.
Bro, no, y'all whole thing not real. That sounded like high school theater play. Oh, what did he say? That was so real?
Dude, that was insane. Oh my god, that's not real, dude. Dude, I got.
Oh, that's not fucking real. Okay. I mean, come on, bro. The frat boys are not selling it to me here. Like, you guys added sound after, or that's your friend.
Some viewers think that the shuffling was made by one of his friends.
They'd be kind of reasonable people, don't you think, Bizarre Bub, maybe?
But Bucky assures them that his friends did not make those sounds.
Where does he do that, you know? He didn't say that.
Tony Drunkard has been experiencing strange activity at home. He's been documenting all the strange things that have been happening. However, his most recent video captures something that is beyond belief.
This
may just be
video?
the most compelling piece of evidence I've seen in a while. Check it out.
Bro's a Howard Stern fan. Okay, so I hate anybody that thinks a spirit box is going to do anything for you.
Who's here? What's your name? Oh. That's it right there.
That's what?
Yeah, I got him. Right? Yeah, I got him. Right? Yeah, I got him. Right?
Bro, your little technology didn't move though. It's tracking something here, all of a sudden it's not doing that no more. Like, bro, you just using some like internet browser or some bullshit. Like and then a spirit box you got on Amazon for like 15 bucks. Like, is that what it is? Edge detection? Bro, I've never, like, got something set up here for that, but it don't catch the massive movement right there? Hey, he said it's the most compelling shit he's seen. Oh, I couldn't tell where it was. Oh, thank you. Oh, my goodness. Such a big screen. I didn't know where to look. Oh, this is ass, bro. I don't even feel like that you deserve the rest of the time.
No gimmicks whatsoever.
Okay. Terrible spot to unpause. No gimmick? Oh, boy.
Reddit user Katie
Got him. Right? Like, locked. Like a fucking dummy.
received a voice message from her friend Cassie, who was stuck in traffic due to a fatal car accident that just occurred.
This feels familiar.
When Katie played the message, this is what she heard.
It was some type of like, almost like a trailer, like something like a trailer would have been carrying or something, like a, I don't know, like a like, I didn't see any ambulances or anything, so I think they're probably fine. I don't even know if there were like any other people in it.
Bro, how am I supposed to know what kind of telecommunication error that you're getting here? That you're what is this supposed to be, a demon? In the voice memo?
It sounds like someone else is breathing on the other end. The breathing
that it?
starts soon after the cell's reception is lost. It's almost as though a ghost manipulated the cell's service as a means to communicate with Katie's friend.
All right, guys, T-Mobile's haunted. What? That might be the silliest conclusion. Holy.
From at all cost. It would
How do you even come up with that, bro? Like, what? It's just a voice memo issue. I don't think that's insane.
be Indian burial grounds. And this next video explains this reason.
Ugh.
Detective Mocha was exploring a cabin that was located on Native American ground.
How sure are we that this is Indian burial grounds? I feel like that's just some shit that people say.
The cabin was abandoned soon after a family died there. A father
Of
killed
course.
his own family and took his own life in the
Of
basement,
course.
which is where Detective Mocha was conducting an EVP session.
All the way over here on this side. Oh shit, I heard something. What the fuck? What the fuck? You guys heard that?
This is silly.
Oh my god, the door just f***ing moved.
I don't even know what he's like. I feel like we're not invested. I feel like you're a squatter and you're like showing me your adventure of hiding in somebody's wall. Like, what the fuck? I feel like people are just perceiving all these videos incorrectly. And then what are you doing? Like, what the fuck is this, bro? Look like you're gonna blow up a mine. Are you like underground? Yeah, he's the ghost.
What the fuck was that?
Ew. Nothing happened, bro. You clambered around, made a bunch of fucking noise. Yeah, dude, bats. Fucking crazy. And then you're just like they're moths. Like you're just walking around in there. That's disturbing. Fuck all the ghost shit.
I almost started a panic attack.
I just think it's his friend. Nobody else would be there. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Nobody's squatting in there, you know?
YouTuber Tech Rax
Unless
went
it's
to a
him.
boiling hot spring.
Bro, what? Yeah, I just skipped this one. And I just said everybody has done a video on this one. And this is 5 years ago. That's why people go insane in quiet rooms. He's in the middle of a forest by himself. Exactly. And then any noise you're gonna think is like something else. And there's hella small animals out there. They're not slamming doors and shit. That had to be your friend.
Looking at
So this is like a Zillow picture.
apartments to rent online when suddenly
Dude, making a mountain out of a molehill, bro. Oh boy, this isn't as bad as some of the ones, honestly, which is a shocker. Cat knows how to close doors. That's fucking dope. Oh, actually, no. I would hate that if my cats had that ability. I could see a raccoon it off. Aren't raccoons like one of the smartest, like little four-legged guys? Dude, my cat here, he looks like a raccoon. He's fat too, so it looks like I just own a little raccoon.
Chocolate writes, I finally got something from 2 angles. There is no way my husband will argue. I caught this using Alfred, a camera app.
Bro, why are we always trying to prove it to the bae? There's no way my husband will argue. Not this time, bae. Bae's gonna understand that I know she traps herself in rooms because of yeah, I bet accidentally, and then they can't open it. I love cats. And the fuck is Alfred, bro? Like you're saying it like it's like I know, like it's like Zoom or Skype. Okay, you did that. I would immediately be like, oh, okay, well now my bae is crazy because she keeps on bringing home this stupid fucking evidence, making like 60 camera angles of a purse falling over. Bro, exactly. Why mention that it's through Alfred on my camera? Like just use your fucking camera.
Having 2 cameras really does help in trying to prove this, but it'd be a lot more compelling if a 3rd camera was placed at—
Oh, no. He's right. We need a 3rd one. And then to make it more compelling, we need a 4th one. And then we're going to have a 5th one, a 6th one, and then we're going to have 1 camera watching each camera to prove they're not manipulated. So we need like 25 cameras. And all of them will use the app Alfred. So the video is sponsored by Alfred. Like, what the fuck,
heads of the
dude?
counter can be seen. In this way,
Okay, you showed me the same video 3 times and it's not. It doesn't get better. It doesn't get any better.
when he saw something that scared the living daylights out of him,
Misty as fuck out. And what the fuck? It's been moving back and forth.
It's a fucking person walking. He's just fucking like he owns the fucking planet or something.
Just looking at me.
there appears to be someone in the
That was like their way to start up the app Alfred. It was like a scary ghost video. Number 1 on the App Store.
And what makes this even more strange is that he was in the middle of nowhere doing who knows what.
Bro, why are you there then? If there's really nothing to fucking do. I just don't buy that. And then you're shitting on people going to take a walk.
But what would you do in a situation like this?
I would leave his ass alone. I wouldn't be an asshole just judging him. Silly. A little silly, that one.
Take a look at this photo and see if you can spot anything unusual.
A photo.
Oh, it looks like a person's face in the back there. I don't, who's that?
Oh, there wasn't a 7th person there? Oh.
Do you see it?
Okay, what a kind of stupid game, bro. That was just insulting. Felt like a Sesame Street segment. That was just like, that was kind of rude.
The ocean, the sky itself, contains many mysteries. From UFO
Yeah, bro. Dude was a little bit tall. Maybe that's what it was. A little bit like a Miss Slender Man or something, bro. Just trying to take a peaceful motherfucking walk, and you got people in your small town that got no reason to hate, just be hating.
UFOs to floating cities, the sky is a vast sea of hidden mysteries. As if the sky wasn't mysterious enough,
99% sure it's just an optical illusion. That's the city in the sky, and I did a video on that just recently. Added sound. It's just gloomy. It's actually kind of a nice day as well. Like, do y'all just hate peace?
it appears as though the sound of trumpets is playing in the sky. Ian has no idea as to where they were coming from. He thinks that it might have been the movement
Bro, if you can't even narrow this shit down though, like in any kind of a direction at all, like you just added the sound.
of tectonic plates that were making these sounds. But if that were the case, then there'd have to be an earthquake, which didn't occur.
Okay, Mr. Bill Nye, the science guy, how are you gonna attribute this to tectonic plates, bro? Did you figure that out with your spirit box? That looks so fucking peaceful, dude. Those are the days that I love. Like, I feel like I would live it up in like Seattle, where it's just fucking raining and gloomy. I love that shit. Just staring out a fucking window that's all just covered in rain, drinking a coffee.
The following video was submitted by Pablo Boy 190, who, along with his submission, writes, "A while back, about..."
This is too long. That's too long. This is obviously gonna be like it's the lore. Was in the house except for me and my brother, and we can't explain what we heard that night.
Here's the video.
Here's the video. Hurry up, bro.
My box, baby. What's that, brother?
What are your thoughts?
It's just audio of a scream. I don't know what's going on outside. I don't. Come on, man. That was so bad. Why? At what point are you like, you know what number 2 should be? I have number 1, you know? But what number 2's got to be really good too. That one?
In Mineral Wells, Texas, there's a house that is known to be a hotspot for paranormal activity.
Ugh.
There's always something going on
A Facebook haunted house video. Jesus.
in this house. But just recently, the owners of this house, which goes by the name of Haunted Hill House, shared footage of what might just be the scariest thing they've encountered.
Holy, wait a fucking, whoa. It's like the baby video. Hold up. Classic case of hubris. I don't personally get it, so it's a paranormal creature beyond explanation. Oh, that's a great word to sum it up, too.
She was yanked off the bed.
Nah, bro's in the way. I don't know who pulled her ass or what kind of joke y'all were going on about.
As you can see, she was yanked off the bed. This was not a fall. And then they ran out. We're going to rewind that and we're going to show you in regular screen at 2:15:41.
Rewind it one more time.
He's like, where'd she go? He just looks over and she's gone.
Bro, his ass is in the way. Like, this could be like the clip if y'all aren't lying. You know what I mean? And his ass just standing in the way. I'm busy recording my own video. Who's the yanker is my question. That sounds inappropriate, but also like we do need the answer to that. There's gotta be somebody over there, bro. There's no way. And she caught herself? Like, her ass didn't even fall all the way. Like, you didn't get pulled off the bed then. I don't know. I think it's like we've been saying. Like, you're in a spooky house that's supposed to be haunted. So you're just gonna attribute shit to whatever. Good experience, a good video, whatever the fuck you're making. That was pretty bad, but not in a horrible kind of a way. And he called this one the most compelling piece he's seen in a long time. Come on, bro.